Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. I'm into motherhood and lifestyle. Today we are going to be unboxing my Grove Collaborative box that I had gotten online. Obviously it says Grove. I'm covering up all my stuff and it says thank you Rachel with a smiley face. I'm pretty sure that my man John put that on there for me before he sent it, because when you go ahead and you sign up and you order your first box of items, you get someone appointed to you. So we're going to get into opening this box for you, and I'm just so excited because I have to go do laundry. I know there's something in here for laundry today. Let me go grab some scissors. Okay, got my scissors. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to open this up. I was going to open it first, and then I figured I had to go to my mother-in-law's to do some laundry. And I was like, oh wait, I'm going to be there a little later because I just got my Grove Collaborative box in. And I just have to open it for you guys. I'm not just going to open it, take the laundry soap out, and act like I never did it. So, come on. Sometimes they're so tough to open. I've noticed a lot of YouTubers will open it first. And they'll be like, hey guys, and they'll look in it, or they'll just open it so they don't have to take that extra time on camera. So, I'm so excited. I have all these on top to keep everything stuffed down in there. Oh boy, I'm so excited! And I also got 5 free gifts because this is my first time actually doing the Grove and not checking out as a guest. So everything is like so pretty pushed down in here. Everything is chemical free for Grove. Just so excited. Okay, so first thing I see. I'm so excited. Okay. This is the limited time edition. This is the Pumpkin Multi-Surface Everyday Cleaner. Removes dirt and freshens surfaces in the pumpkin spice. I got this. This is made without parabens, sulfates. It's plant-derived cleaning ingredients and essential oils. I am absolutely in love already. Let me smell this because it's my first time. Ooh. It's like a very light fall scent. It screams fall to me. It smells sweet and it smells vanilla-y kind of, but you can definitely tell it's pumpkin. Let's see what else we got. We got a free hand cream. This is the Vermont Orange with coconut and rosehip oil. Ooh. I'm going to keep this in our diaper bag because I'm always looking for lotion. I can't smell it. Oh, that's why. It's got a lid on it. Oh my god. It smells very orangey. Oh my god, it smells really good. It smells so clean and pure. Definitely going to keep this in my diaper bag. Gonna need it. What is this? And then they sent me this little Grove Collaborative thing. Oh, yep. This is from my guy, John. So sweet of him. He's my Grove guide. So very sweet of him. John, if you're watching this video, thank you so much. Alright, next thing that we have. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. This is a limited time edition scent. So is the pumpkin. This is the compassion flower. Everybody else has this. I got a small bottle, but I'm so excited. This is not an aerosol. I want to smell this because everybody else on YouTube. Oh my goodness. This smells amazing. I am already obsessed. You've already great. It even has like a little lock thing on here too that you twist and close. The children can't get into it. Okay. Then I got the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleaner. And it's just antibacterial. This is a really big bottle. And I think they only had it for $3. This is huge. You can clean bathroom surfaces, sinks and fixtures, tubs, glazed tile, toilet seats. And that's the main reason why I got this. I actually figured, oh, this smells very minty. What kind is this? Spearmint. Yes, you can definitely smell spearmint. I can't wait to use this because I'm definitely gonna like my bathroom smelling like this. But I got this over the toilet bowl cleaner. I figured I could just dump a little bit in there and it would clean just the same. So excited. Okay, so here's one thing I'm so beyond excited about is this laundry detergent. I've never used it. I take that back. I used a little bit of it when Novelle was a baby, but Megan from Love Meg uses this all the time, and she has me hooked. Oh my. Oh my goodness. I should have got the fresh bead scents too, because it smells amazing. Oh my. This is the ginger mango scent. Oh my, I can't believe I got this. And it's like really concentrated, I guess, so that you only have to use like a little bit, and it takes 66 loads. And this is the little cup that you would measure with. But I think this is going to last me a little bit longer than 66. Oh, and it's HE for all washers. That's amazing because my mother-in-law always makes sure that I make sure that it's protected for her washer so it doesn't ruin it. So that's exciting. Okay, and we got the dish soap. This is also a limited time scent. This is the Acorn Spice. I know I'm standing for like most of this video. I'm sorry, guys. Ooh. This to me smells like vanilla cashmere. Like the little scents that you would get at the store for like your wall plug-in, like at Walmart or something. I love this. It smells really good, and it's going to look amazing sitting up on my counter. This also cuts through grease. So I have always needed this. I'm so sorry. This video is going like, it's really long, but I'm so excited. This is my first time, and as you can tell, like this is something you guys should go do because I'm so excited. They also sent me these walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge, and I've seen these too, and I heard they don't get stinky. I've heard that multiple times, and I am so excited. They're non-abrasive and perfect for use on cookware, glassware, countertops, and appliances, top racks, dishwasher safe. I can wash these, and they won't ever get stinky. I got 2 of them, and I'm so excited. Actually, oh my gosh, I have 4 of them all together. I'm not going to be running out of these anytime soon. I mean, obviously, I'll switch them out eventually when they start to get worn, but because they don't stink, when you use regular dish pads from like the store, I wash dishes once, maybe twice, and then they stink, and I have to throw them away and get new ones. And it's such a waste of money because at the store you pay almost like $5-6 for a pack of 3 or 4 in New York State because we're so expensive here. And I just got these for free, and they're plant based. So excited. I also got this little cleaning caddy. I got it in gray. I didn't realize what color I was getting it in until after I had ordered it. And I realized it was gray, and I was like, oh, maybe white, but you know what? Gray is going to be suitable, especially if we get the house that we're looking at. We're the only ones that are bidding on it, guys, and I'm so beyond excited. I didn't record it because they wouldn't let me, but I will get you guys a heads up for that. But we got gray, because we're going to go with a new color scheme for our bathroom, hopefully, and it's just an organizing kit. I got this sent to me. And then our last thing, I'm just going to hold this, going to show you everything that they sent to me. This is the 100% sustainable bamboo and sugarcane ultra soft tissues. I run a daycare, and these are going to come in handy big time. These were literally only like $1.50, I want to say. They're Seedlings Promise. And there's 92 ply sheets in here. So I'm excited about that as well. So the things they sent to me, I believe this was one of them. I know they sent me the passion flower. They sent me the Meyers pumpkin. The anti-bac. The sponges. That's the 4th gift. There's something else they sent me. And they sent me the dish soap. And then also because I joined, I got this little this little hand cream for free. So I technically got this. They also are sending me a hand sanitizer because I shared it on Facebook and shared it in my messenger. So they're supposed to send me that too. They just said it wouldn't be on time with this shipment. But this is everything I got, including the caddy. Oh. 5-piece gift set. Maybe I didn't get this for free. Maybe this one I ordered. Just in case. I'm not exactly 100% sure. But here's the 5-piece gift set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this was also free. So when you first sign up with Grove, they're going to have you put your email in, and you automatically get a 5-piece gift set with your order of $20 or over. You have to at least have a minimum of $20. But look how cute this is. Look how amazing it is. Guys, this was my first time opening up a Grove collaborative box, and I wanted to do it on camera so you guys could see my expressions and how amazing these products are. Look at the back of this. That is so cute. And I know my lighting is like horrid right now, and I'm going to be doing a cleaning video, guys, for you guys. That'll be up on Tuesday. Yeah, we'll make that for Tuesday. This will be Sunday, which is tomorrow. But you guys should totally go check out Grove Collaborative. I'll link it down below. And make sure you guys check out the Mrs. Meyers scents. I'm so excited for what they're going to have in winter. The only thing thing that I didn't get, and I second guessed myself. They're grapefruit anti-bac cleaning cloths. They're like the what are they? They're almost like the lemon scented ones that I use, but they were in grapefruit, and I was like, oh, they're gonna smell too fruity, or they're gonna smell sour, so I didn't get them, and I second guessed myself. And my cousin Lindsay said, no, next time you need to get them like right away. So my next one I will be getting them. So okay, we'll get you changed and have everything. So anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you've never ordered Grove, make sure you use the link down below. I don't think I get anything from it. If I do, thank you so much. I'm just going to leave that down below for you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. And until next time, God bless you. Bye.